At Flexaust, we offer a lot of different hoses for dust collection in the woodworking industry. Sometimes it's tough to know which hose is best for your application. Today we are going to go over that. We offer our dust collection hoses for the woodworking industry in a good, better, best approach. Starting with our R series, which is our PVC wire reinforced hoses. This hose is best used for fine sawdust applications. Next would be our thermoplastic rubber hoses. If you have fine sawdust along with some wood chips, this would be great to hold up for a little more abrasion than the PVC hoses. Next would be our flx-thane series. This is used for the most abrasive type of applications that would include wood chunks. We also make the polyurethane hoses in static dissipative polyurethane if you have a static type of application. All these products come in various types of wall thicknesses, again, depending on what your application is for woodworking. Last would be our FlexTube PU60HF. This is used for underneath the tables on a CNC router. It's a 60-wall polyurethane that's highly flexible for that application. If you have any questions about a dust collection application, please contact us at flexaust.com. Thanks for watching.